Hi, I am Yash Agarwal, Managing Director at 100acres.com. And today we are with Miss Mahima Dhingra, GM, Branded Residences at M3M. So, hi, ma'am, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Thank you so much
ma'am,
for having me.
thank you so much, ma'am. It's a pleasure here. So, ma'am, I guess it's been more than 10 years that you have been working with M3M.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Okay, ma'am. So, what is M3M doing right now? There are so many things that I am hearing that M3M is coming up with something really big, something bigger than the Jacob and Co residences. So, what's that? What's going on right now?
You have heard it right, Yash. You have heard it absolutely right. So now M3M has elevated its vision. So we are known for disrupting the market,
Right.
and we are known for creating something absolutely new, and we are known for the novelty factor that we bring on the table and we bring and introduce to the market. So now we are coming up with branded residences because we are, I think, been there, done that. We have done with basic projects, luxury projects, ultra modern projects, so on and so forth. So our Pankaj sir, the
Mr.
promoter, the
Pankaj Bansal,
visionary,
right.
the visionary behind everything. So when he travels abroad, he was so thrilled with all the development, best of the infra in Singapore, lights, glitz, glamour, glory of Vegas, and a good infrastructure of Dubai. So he thought that now that I'm into real estate, I want to bring best of everywhere
Right.
to our homeland.
Okay.
So SCDA being the best possible landmark and best possible address, because we have more than 250 acres over there.
Right. So, if I'm not wrong, SCDA is Smart City Delhi Airport.
That's right.
And it consists of sector 111, 112, 113, and
113 and 111.
Okay, 113 and 111.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the moment you enter from on Dwarka Expressway from the Delhi,
Right.
right on both the sides of the highway, the first property, the first real estate development that you come across is all M3M.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So on the left hand side is where we have the maximum land parcel,
Okay.
more than 175 acres. So one project is already under construction over there. So rest of it is all collective land parcel that we have. India being a developing country, and in developing country you understand that everything is evolving.
Right.
अगर हम कहें न्यूयॉर्क में right next to the JFK airport, you're coming up with development. I think it will be a magnificent development.
Of course.
So is the case with Changi Airport, Singapore.
Right.
So just imagine IGI airport being top 10 airport of the world. उसके पास अगर किसी की magnificent development आ रही है and you are creating only and only international brands one after the other,
Right.
it will become a destination.
Of course, it may.
Right from homes to right from luxury homes to the retail to offices, pin to plane, we are creating a mini ecosystem
Okay.
wherein we are creating a mini universe for these billionaires. It's going to be a achievers battleground. All the people, the ones who have made it in life themselves.
Okay.
And most of them are going to be the first generational achievers.
I can already imagine the picture how it's
Yeah,
going to go.
yeah.
Okay.
So we are going to have best of the brands that you can think of. I wish I could spill the beans over there, but unfortunately we'll have to hold the horses.
Right,
But
right,
yeah,
right.
it's going to be better than bigger and better than Jacob for sure.
Of course, ma'am. It's Mr. Pankaj Bansal after all. So
Yes,
definitely he'll do something amazing.
magnificent is the word.
So, ma'am, since M3M is such a strong brand in real estate, and we 100acres.com are also present in real estate industry from past 2 decades. So, what do you think? How important is it to have a good and a very strong channel partner relationship for any developer like M3M?
So that's a very valid and very pertinent question, Yash. This is a product wherein the ticket size starts from 12 to 13 crores.
Right.
And branded residences luxury is never a necessity. Luxury is always a choice. It's always what you choose for yourself.
Of course.
And people who believe in you, who have trust in you, who have dealt with you in past, who have earned some premium with you, only they will invest with you yet again.
Right, ma'am.
This is a property, or these are the set of residences which will only sell on the face value, either yours or us.
Okay.
And if good patrons will get together and shake hands with us and will work with us, is when this will become a big, magnificent success.
Right, ma'am.
So hence, your organization would be, I would say, the best one for us, because our associations come from last 10 years now. We have been associated in all the projects.
Right.
You have contributed sale in all the projects. I remember since Golf Estate times.
Right,
yes,
right,
yes.
right.
Then contributed in 65th Avenue, Golf Hills, Antalya, and now SCDA branded
Of course,
residences. Hence, so this relationship has been coming from long time, and all these investors and residents of yours, the ones who have invested with you in past,
Right.
will only be the one who will choose you.
Of course, ma'am. Of course. So, ma'am, this is my last question.
Please.
So, since you know Mr. Rajesh Agrawalji, our founder, both personally and professionally, and it's been a very long partnership that you have been working with him. So, what will be that one word that you would like to say about him, just to describe him?
So there's not one word which comes in my mind for him. There are multiple of them. First of all, simplicity.
Okay.
You know how simply and how transparent he is,
Right.
how upfront and honest he is, even with us and with the investors. Every
Right.
customer that he has dealt with them with complete transparency
Yeah, of course.
and turnkey transparency. Not at the time of booking, allotment, seal. With M3M, most of the work starts after the booking also.
Of course.
So giving that support during the CRM time, hand holding them, and handovering final keys to them, this whole journey, if you keep it very simple, transparent and upfront, so this is what is your asset.
Right, ma'am.
So that is what, whenever every time you ask me that question, I think that is what would be my answer.
Of course, ma'am. So it was really nice to talk to you, ma'am.
Pleasure's all
and
mine.
I'll see you at the sales
Thank
gallery.
you so much. Thank you so much for having me. Looking forward to see you
Of course, ma'am.
and with more and more business.
Definitely, ma'am. Touch wood, yes.
Thank you.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this was it for today, and we were with Miss Mahima Dhingra, GM at Branded Residences at M3M. So for more details regarding the branded residences at M3M at SCDA in Sector 111 and 112, contact us right now on the number flashing on your screen or visit on our website www.100acres.com. See you again.